Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Zoho CRM mobile app. So here, as you can see, I already have the mobile app. So to install this one, you just have to open your App Store or your Play Store and then just search for Zoho CRM. Then after that, you'd be able to see this application. So you just have to install it. And once you're done, just have to click on open. And then you have to link your account or log in to your Zoho CRM account. And then right here, you'd be able to see this section. Okay, so this is your account settings. So you have your calendar, your home page, and more. So in this section, this is your calendar. Okay, so if you would like to add a meeting, task, or calls, you just have to click on this one right here and be able to see this field. So you just have to add here the title of the meeting, the location, and then the all day section. So if you want to enable the all day meetings, you just have to turn this on. And then you have the show all fields section. So you just have to show all the fields, and then you have to put all of the details that you need. Okay, next one we have the task and the call. Now let's go to our home page. So right here, we'd be able to see our open task, and this is our open task section. So we have the subject and then the details for all of the tasks that we need to finish. Okay, so here we have the classic views. If you want to change the view, you just have to click on it and then select the view that you want to use. Next, we have the leads. Okay, so all of these are your leads. So for example, you would like to monitor the leads of this profile. So as you can see right here, you can also add a note, attachments, open tasks, or open meetings. So for example, you would like an open meetings with this profile, so you just have to input the meeting title and all of the important details as well. Okay, and then we have here the emails and then the details of this lead. So we have the address information and then the lead information. And then if you would like to edit this one, just have to click on the pencil icon at the top. And then here you can change the profile photo of this user. And then here you can see the annual revenue and then all of the details for the leads. Okay, then after that, just have to save it. And then the next one is we have the contacts. Okay, so here you can see all of your contacts, and if you want to add a new contact, you just have to click on the plus icon. So this one, and then you can add a contact or import from address book. So I'm just going to add a new contact. So you can upload the photo and then the name or the contact owner, and then the first name, last name, the account name, the email, and then the phone. And if you are going to show all the fields, you'd be able to see here more sections. So you just have to provide all of the details for this new contact. That's right. And after that, you just have to click on the checked option at the top right of your screen. Okay, so you can also switch to smart view if you want to. So click on the checked icon at the top. So if you are going to click on the settings, you can see here the related. Okay, so you'd be able to see the related contacts and other information. Now let's go to the contact settings. So right here you can customize the search, the global search, and then here we have the first field, the second field, the third field, the fourth field for the display fields section. So if you want to reset this one to default, you just have to click on the button. So basically, using the Zoho CRM mobile app makes your managing your businesses easier and more convenient. So it allows you to access customer information, track your leads, and update records anytime, anywhere. This means you don't have to be tied to a computer to stay productive. You can also receive real-time notifications and you never miss an important update or follow-up. So the app helps you to stay organized by letting you schedule meetings, set reminders, and take notes while on the go. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.